Well, hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. Today I've got three things. First thing is a surprise mail call. Today I got, well, not today, a couple of days ago, got a package, little box sitting on top of my mailbox when I got home from work, or for the day, or I don't even remember. Like, I didn't order anything. What was that? So, Mike over at Scale Speedworks, and I will put a link in the description to his channel. Um, he's a great guy, super nice. Glad to see him getting back in the swing of things too, and getting some motivation back for the hobby. I think a lot of us this summer have kind of gone through a little uh, dip, dip, lull, whatever you want to call it. He generously sent me a couple of sets of rims, some uh, some super deep wires with low profile white walls, and I dropped one. I'll find that when I'm done recording. How about that? And a set of Donks rims and tires. Um, Mike, I will certainly find something to put these on, and I will certainly try to do it fairly soon. Thank you very much, sir. You are a scholar and a gentleman, and I always enjoy your work, and I appreciate our interactions in email. So once again, that's Mike at Scale Speedworks. Shop card if you don't have one, hit him up. Thank you very much, Mike, for the nice words on the back. And that's that. Thing number two. Who the hell is Uncle Sweetie, Grady? So, I'm sure some of you have thought it. So, goodness, it's been a while. 5, 6 years. My had a best friend of 40-ish years, and her father passed, and we were having, I guess what you would call the wake. So there was the visitation one day, there's the funeral, and there's the after funeral dinner for the friends and family and general public. And then after that was over, we had that at the VFW. After that was over, that was all cleaned up, done, put away. The private, very close family proceeded to the bar at the VFW and had a few celebratory grief, stress relief, whatever you want to call them, drinks. And they've got these big, oh, hey, there it is. Squirrel! Found it. Um, this particular VFW has tables. I don't know, six people tables, and we had probably 4 of them. And my favorite niece had chosen to sit right next to me, and she, because it's the VFW and you can have kids at the bar, it is what it is. So, Uncle Richard is sitting at the next table over, and I'm sitting at this one, and my niece is sitting on the other side of me. And we've all had a couple, and everybody's talking amongst themselves and at their tables and whatever. And my niece is sitting here with empty beer, and she's like, I don't know, 12, 13, something like that, peeling the labels off of empty beer bottles because she's 12, 13 and doesn't have anybody to talk to and nothing to do at a freaking bar. Duh. Well, they can be in the VFW, but they can't be touching liquor, liquor bottles, containers, glasses, blah, blah, blah. So Richard, over here on the other side of me, is trying to get her attention to tell her to stop. And he's going, sweetie, sweetie, sweetie. And I'm hearing this out of the corner of my ear, as I say. And she's on the other side of me. Everybody at his table's talking. Everybody at my table's talking. And so she doesn't hear him. And after, I don't know, he probably said it 5 times or so. And finally, and I didn't register what was being said. All I, all I registered was that somebody's voice was escalating and they were trying to get somebody's attention. And finally, he said it one more time. He's like, sweetie. And I said, what? And so from that moment on, that got a laugh out of everybody because I answered to sweetie. And so ever after that, in that family, I am Uncle Sweetie. And that's kind of my position in life as I mentor teens and young adults. And I have I'm an only child, and I have probably, I don't know, 30 to 40 people that look at me as an uncle or call me uncle, or, I am an uncle in whatever various family they're part of. So I became Uncle Sweetie instantly and forever. That's who Uncle Sweetie is. Uncle Sweetie is me. All right. Thing number 3. The 400 subscriber giveaway drawing. So some of you have seen the vote for a kit that you would like to win video. Here's my rules. And I'm going to put a link to that video in the description as well. Go to that video and leave a comment on that video. Monday, I am going to use a random comment picker to choose a comment, doesn't matter who. I'm not doing any retakes, so sorry about the coughing, the clearing, and the frog in my throat. Where was I? Monday, I will use a random comment picker to draw a winner. And so here's my rules. Please be subscribed to my channel. You have to leave a comment on that video, or you won't get picked. Please give that video a thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever you prefer. I will ship anywhere in the world if whatever kit you like is worth you paying part of the shipping. I will ship it to the border of the Continental 48, which is about $12 these days, I think. If you live outside the United States or Alaska, Hawaii, and you want to pay the freight from there, which is probably going to be $20, $30, I'm more than happy to send it to you. Other than that, I will pay the shipping inside the continental U.S. Please, no repeat comments, blah, 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 blah. I think you have to do a disclaimer. YouTube is no way involved, or Google is no way involved in this giveaway. What else? Like, subscribe, comment, shipping US. I think that's it. Thank you all for supporting my channel and subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. I always love the interaction. And I keep saying this, that once once I get this done, and I don't know if I'll be able to get to it in this next week because I said in a previous video, I'm not going to be staying at my own home for the next week. Starting today, I should have left already. And so, my modeling stuff is at my home and not going to be at where I'm house sitting. So there's that. So after that, I fully intend to get on some model work and have some fun with it. I miss it. And I think that's it. I don't think I'm going to ask a question today. Just go back to that video. Um, Toss your hat in the ring for the giveaway. Leave me some kind of comment here. Do you have an oddball nickname in your, there we go. Do you have an oddball nickname in your family or your circle of friends, and how did you get it? You know what? If you do, and I know some of you do, because we've got an awful lot of oddball channel names in the modeling community. So, if you feel like it, maybe it'll be a community video question. Leave us a video. Tell you how you got your favorite nickname, your craziest nickname, your dumbest nickname, whatever. I have several. Uncle Sweetie's kind of the funniest, and it's kind of the one that I cherish the most. So that's all I've got. Y'all take care, be safe, live life, and I'll see you next time.